Hello students, in the last class we discussed regarding Schrodinger's wave equation. Then today we will start quantum numbers. So let me first tell you what is quantum numbers. So quantum number को कहा जाए the postal address of electron because it gives you the details regarding electron. You know the electron revolves around the nucleus in some fixed circular path. The electrons they revolve around the nucleus in some fixed circular path known as orbit or shell. Okay, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कोठे बोलुची ना न्यूक्लियस चारिपटे ऑर्बिट बा शेल ले बोलुची. Each cell is further subdivided into some sub cells. प्रत्येक सेल किछि सब सेल को डिवाइड हेछि. अगेन प्रत्येक सब सेल अंडर रे किछि ऑर्बिटल्स अछि. So the quantum numbers, there are four set of quantum numbers n, l, m and s: principal, azimuthal, magnetic and spin quantum number. So these four set of quantum numbers gives you the details of electron to which cell. This is the cell, then under the cell there is subcell, under the subcell there are orbitals. So it gives you the details regarding this cell, to which cell the electron belongs. Cell का idea से कोटू ना value of n, principal quantum number. Subcell idea comes to us from the value of azimuthal quantum number l. Then orbital idea comes from the value of magnetic quantum number m. Then these three we get in details. That means by knowing these three quantum numbers, अभी ये तीनटा quantum number हमें जानी परिवा, ताले हमें exactly कोई दबा the electron belongs to which cell, which subcell and which orbital. Electron टा कोउ cell, कोउ subcell एवं कोउ orbital अच्छी, we can predict regarding it. Then electron spins as a top. Electron गोटे नोटू परी बोलू था. Continuously it spins as a top. In how many possible directions a top can spin? नोटूरा केतना possible direction बोली परियो ना दुईटा direction. गोटे होची positive, that is clockwise, and होची negative, that is anti-clockwise. Okay. So the next quantum number gives you the idea regarding spin of the electron. Spin of the electron. Because electron spins like a top. So this spin we get the idea from the fourth quantum number s. So these are the four set of quantum numbers. They are called quantum numbers. They are the postal address of the electron. It gives you the details regarding electron, to which cell the electron belongs, to which subcell the electron belongs, and to which orbital the electron belongs, and what is the spin of the electron. को सेल इलेक्ट्रॉन टा अछि, को सबसेल ले अछि, को ऑर्बिटल ले अछि एवं से केमथि बुलुछि. नोटू परे बुलुछि कहउछि कांस्टेंटली पॉजिटिव बुलुछि, क्लॉकवाइज बुलुछि, दैट इज स्पिन अप पोजीशन ना एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बुलुछि, दैट इज स्पिन डाउन पोजीशन. ओके, सो दीज आर द फोर सेट ऑफ क्वांटम नंबर्स which we will be discussing in details. Okay, so we discussed regarding quantum numbers. Okay, so first let me write down the four quantum numbers. So there are four quantum numbers. First one is called principal quantum number, which is abbreviated by small n. Then azimuthal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, abbreviated by small l. Then magnetic quantum number, magnetic quantum number, abbreviated by m. Nowadays in some books it is also written as ml. Same thing, m or ml. Okay, magnetic quantum number. Then last one is spin quantum number, abbreviated by small s. Nowadays it is also written as ms. So these are the four set of quantum numbers which you have to remember. चारटा quantum number तुमको मन रखिया पड़िबो. कौन कौन ना principal quantum number small n, azimuthal quantum number small l, then magnetic quantum number small m. एबे किछि बहिरे कोन लिखा होछि ना ml magnetic quantum number. Then last one is spin quantum number s small s or it is nowadays written as ms. Okay, jemti just tumku kahili ei charta quantum number we get the details of electron. So the first quantum number gives you the data or idea regarding the cell. It gives you the idea regarding cell. Electron belongs to which cell? Electron ta kau cell le achi ame first quantum number ru kahi pariba. Then this one gives you the idea regarding subcells. Each cell is further subdivided into some subcell. प्रत्येक सेल किसी सबसेल को डिवाइड होइछि जानिथिबो तार नाम SPDF. SPDF sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. So as per the spectral lines of alkali metals spectral line अनुसार ताको नेमिंग कराइछि SPDF sharp, diffuse, sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. Okay, then प्रत्येक सबसेल ऑर्डर रे पुनी किछि ऑर्बिटल्स अछि. इलेक्ट्रॉन belongs to the orbitals. So third quantum number, that is magnetic quantum number, gives us the idea regarding orbital. Co orbital is electron ta achi. Last one, spin quantum numbers, gives us the idea regarding spin of the electron. Electron continuously spins as a top. Not to pori electron ta continuously bolu thai. So ei value ta ame jani pariba spin quantum number, we can predict whether the top the electron is spinning as a top in a positive direction, that is clockwise, or anti-clockwise direction, negative direction. Okay, so these are the four set of quantum numbers which we'll be discussing in details. I'm going to details level discuss karibo. Okay, so first let us start with principal quantum number. Principal quantum number which gives us the idea regarding cell. Principal quantum number which gives us the idea regarding cell. Okay, so if I draw the image, it will be very clear to you. Suppose this is the nucleus. There are 7 cells surrounding it. 4, 5, 6 and 7 like this. So center rela nucleus, there are 7 cells surrounding the nucleus. Nucleus पर कितना cell अच्छी? ना 7 cells. नाम कौन? K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So accordingly they are named as K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. I mean, there are 7 cells. Okay, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So we can assign a serial number to each cell. प्रत्येक cell को हम एक serial number देई परिबो. K रो serial number केते हबो? 1, L रो हबो 2, M रो हबो 3, N रो हबो 4, O रो हबो 5, E रो हबो 6, E हबो 7. So what are these serial numbers? Now these serial numbers are principal quantum number. So how to define a principal quantum number? It is nothing but the cell or orbit number. It is the cell or orbit number. So it is the cell or orbit number. Okay, principal quantum number is the cell or orbit number. Accordingly, if you write down cell wise, what will be the principal quantum number? N. Let us see the values of N. So first cell K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. 7 cells I have already told you. 17 cell अच्छी. Accordingly, प्रत्येक को जो serial number दवा सेटा होची N value. K रो serial होची 1. What is the value of N? Now 1. L रो serial number होची 2. Look at this. चलो N value होची 2. M 3, N 4, O 5. P 6 and Q is 7. So this is how principal quantum number is assigned the serial number of cell. So cell का जो serial अच्छी, that is the principal quantum number. Okay students, then next we will discuss which data it gives us. For hydrogen atom we have already discussed Bohr's atomic model, and in many times we have discussed the importance of N. We have used the value of principal quantum number N. So let me summarize it once again. Okay. So students, what is principal quantum number? Now it is the serial number of the cell or orbit. Accordingly, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, the cells are numbered as 1 to 7. So that becomes the quantum number, principal quantum number. Jani parla chua clearly. So principal quantum number we have already utilized in Bohr's atomic model for hydrogen atom. So let me rediscuss these things. कौन पाइथिलु प्रथमे फर्स्ट इट गिव्स अस आइडिया रिगार्डिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए सेल व्हाट इज कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए सेल formula is one lakh chua capacity of a cell is equal to 2n square where n is the principal quantum number capacity of the cell is 2n square where n is the principal quantum number so suppose for first cell k cell what is the value of n na 1 so what will be the capacity for k cell capacity will be 2 into 1 square that means k cell can contain 2 electrons l 2 into 2 square that means next cell can contain 8 electrons then m 2 into 3 square that means m cell can contain or accommodate 8 electrons m cell kete electron roi paribo na 18 ta n 2 into 4 square accordingly the capacity is 32 electrons so agru already jani chho tume bishay you have already read these things earlier but I am just summarizing khali taku summarize kar dochi so first one n principal quantum number gives us the value or the capacity of a cell that is 2 into n square where n is the principal quantum number. Next one it gives us the radius of nth orbit of hydrogen atom Rn is equal to A0 n square by Z where A0 is called Bohr's orbit is equal to 52.9 picometer n is the principal quantum number and Z is the atomic number of hydrogen like atom okay so next we get the idea of radius of nth orbit okay then we have already discussed that the angular momentum of electron mvr is an integral multiple of h by 2 pi so n is where n is equal to principal quantum number n is equal to 1 2 3 4 like this so the angular momentum of electron orbiting in the orbital is an integral multiple of h by 2 pi policy already Bohr's model where n is 1 2 3 4 the principal quantum number next one the energy of electron in nth orbit en is equal to minus rh into z square by n square for hydrogen like atoms the formula is this one energy of electron in nth orbit En is equal to minus RH into Z square by N square where RH is called Rydberg's constant what is the value now 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joule. Z is the atomic number, N is the principal quantum number. Okay. Then last one, we also know how to calculate the velocity of electron in nth orbit. Vn. Vn means velocity of electron in the nth orbit. What is the formula? Now V0 into Z by N. For hydrogen-like atoms, the velocity of electron in the nth orbit is given by the formula V0 into Z by N. What is V0? The velocity of electron in the first orbit of hydrogen that is 2.188 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. 2.188 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second is the value of V0. So Z again is the atomic number, N is the principal quantum number. Okay. So students, these are the various data which we get from principal quantum number. Okay. So students, just now we discussed principal quantum number which gives us many ideas starting from your capacity of a cell to velocity of electron in nth orbit. So everything we discussed and both jinso discuss kalo regarding principal quantum number. Then next quantum number is your azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. That is abbreviated as small l. Okay. So which idea it gives us? एक वो idea आपको दिए. It gives us the idea regarding subcells. Every cell is subdivided into some subcells. Each cell is subdivided into some subcells. namely S, P, D and F. So this one gives us the idea regarding subcells. To which subcell the electron belongs. को subcell को belong करे electron ये idea टा हमें पाओ azimuthal control. First values of L. You have to remember मन रखियो L takes value from 0 to n minus 1. L value कितना है वो 0 रू n minus 1 पर्यंत. L takes value from 0 to n minus 1. 0 is also a value. So in total how many values? Now total n values. And the number of values of L gives you the number of subcells. L रो जतरा value होगा सतरा subcell होगा. So number of values of L gives you number of subcells. So for a given value of n, for a given value of n, there will be n values. That means there will be n subcells. तेणु जहार n वैल्यू जेते तार सबसेल संख्या सेते. सिंपल थ्योरी छुआ मन रखियो जहार n प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर वैल्यू जेते तार सबसेल संख्या सेते. सो k सेल n वैल्यू केते 1 सबसेल गोटी होबो छ. l n वैल्यू 2 there will be 2 subcells sp. Then m n value 3 subcells S, P, D. Then M and N, the n value 4, that is there will be 4 subcells, 4 subcells ରହିବ S, P, D, F. So accordingly we will write. So first we will write cell K, L, M, N. Okay. Then accordingly value of N. K value, for K value of N is 1. L, N is 2, M, N is 3 and 4. So already already have discussed for these cells the value of N is this one. So next we will write down the values of possible values of L. Let us see what will be the possible values of L. कितना value possible होगा L पर कहाँ पर depend कर L value ना value of N कहीं कि ना L value कोड होगा 0 to n minus 1. So here the value of L will be 0 to 1 minus 1, that means 0. So only one value will be there, 0. So number of values of L will give you the number of subcells. Number of subcells. जेतरा value L रहइबो सेतरा सबसेल हबो. ताले एटी गोटिया value रहला छुआ number of subcells की गोट केतरा रहइबो 1. कोटा रहइबो ना only S subcell. Only one subcell will be there, S subcell. है ना. तेणु फर्स्ट सेल K सेल लो केतरा सबसेल रहइबो छुआ गोटे काहे की ना तार n वैल्यू होची 1. कई साइज छुआ ई फार्मूला आंसर है जार n वैल्यू जत्ते तार नंबर ऑफ सबसेल सेते 1 मींस केतरा सबसेल लेबे 1. तापर आसीबा L सेल को n वैल्यू केते 2 ताले को वैल्यू नबो L 0 रु n minus 1 माने 2 minus 1 केते 1. सो दुईटा वैल्यू हबो गुटे हबो 0 आ गुटे हबो 1. गुटे हबो 0 आ गुटे हबो 1. So केतरा वैल्यू रहला छुआ दुईटा 0 आ 1. So number of subcells will be 2. जहार जेतरा वैल्यू रहइबो L लो ता सबसेल संख्या सेते हबो आउथरे कहूची. तेनु दुईटा सबसेल रहइबो कोन ना S आ P. S आ P सबसेल. ह तापर आसबो M सेल को n वैल्यू होची 3. ताले पॉसिबल वैल्यूज ऑफ L केते हबो 0 to 3 minus 1 माने 2. ताले कोन आसीबो छुआ 0 1 2 तीनटा वैल्यू असला L लो ताले नंबर ऑफ सबसेल केते गला 3. नंबर ऑफ सबसेल गला 3. कोन कोन हला छुआ ना S P and D सबसेल्स. तापर आसबा N सेल को n सेल लो n वैल्यू होची 4. ताले L वैल्यू केते हबो 0 to 4 minus 1 माने 3. कोन कोन हबो छुआ 0 1 2 3. केतरा वैल्यू होला चारटा वैल्यू देयर आर 4 values. So how many subcells will be there? ना 4 subcells will be there. कौन कौन ना S P D and F subcells. बुझिना छुआ. So this is the formula to find out the number of subcells. आउ तो चेक कर दियो जार n वैल्यू जते ता सबसेल संख्या सेते 1 1 2 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4. Okay. Now if you mark the pattern, each subcell has a fixed value of L. प्रत्येक सबसेल लो गोटे L रो फिक्स्ड वैल्यू अछि। देखो 0 अछि केवल गोटे सबसेल S, 0 1 अछि SP, 0 1 2 SP D, 0 1 2 3 SP D F. That means if you write down subcell wise कौन हो सबसेल S P D and F. Subcells are named like this: sharp, principal, diffuse, fundamental. है ना? So accordingly देखो तार L value कितना ही होची S सबले correspond करची कितना L value 0 को तुमको मन रखे पड़े. You have to remember these things. S subcell लो L value होची 0. So the P by कौन आस्ती छुआ 1. So for P subcell value of L is 1. आप कितना आस्ती देखो S P D by कौन आसला 2. So for D subcell L value is 2. Then asla F S P D F. F by कौन asla 3. So these are the corresponding values of L for the subcells. Okay. Our value कितना हुआ ना 0 1 2 3. Okay. So from this we can cross check the number of subcells. तो मन रखियो छुआ K cell लो only one subcell S, L K cell लो S, L cell लो S P, M रो S P D, M रो S P D चारटा के सबसेल अवेलेबल हो. ओके ताले कैपेसिटी ऑफ सबसेल देखियो एबे छुआ कैपेसिटी ऑफ सबसेल देखियो छुआ फार्मूला होची 4L plus 2. कैपेसिटी ऑफ सबसेल फार्मूला कोन 4L plus 2. ताले S सबसेल लो कैपेसिटी केते हबो 4 into 0 plus 2 तामाने 2. एटा केते हबो छुआ 4 into 1 plus 2 तामाने 6. एटी केते हबो छुआ 4 into 2 plus 2 केते हबो 10. एटी केते हबो 4 into 3 plus 2 केते हबो 14. तो एटु छुआ में कैलकुलेट करि परिबा प्रत्येक सबसेल लो इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी केते. S subcell लो इलेक्ट्रॉन रखियार कैपेसिटी होची 2. द कैपेसिटी टू होल्ड द इलेक्ट्रॉन इन S subcell is 2, P 6, D 10 and F is 14. फॉर्मूला कोन मन रखिबो कैपेसिटी ऑफ सबसेल होची 4L plus 2. 4L plus 2. क्रॉस चेक कर लो छुआ कैपेसिटी ऑफ सेल जानि छो हमें कैपेसिटी ऑफ सेल फॉर्मूला कोन 2n square. अकॉर्डिंगली K सेल कैपेसिटी केते 2 into 1 square कहितल छुआ 2 एटी 2 into 2 square 8 एटी 2 into 3 square 18 एटी केते 2 into 4 square 32. So these are the capacity of the cells. Formula होची 2n square. You know it. एबे चेक करनबा देखो छुआ K cell only one subcell, that is S, capacity 2, so total capacity is 2. देखो K cell लो गोटिया तो सबसेल होची तार कैपेसिटी होची S subcell देना होची कोन ना 2 कैपेसिटी तो टोटल कैपेसिटी केते हो 2. L cell लो देखो दुइटा होची छुआ S P मिसी केते होची S पाई 2 P पाई 6 टोटल होची 8. ठीक अछि. तापर M पाई देखो तीनटा होची छुआ S P D 2 plus 6 plus 10 18 कैपेसिटी 18. ओके. Then N पाई S P D F 2 plus 6 8 plus 10 18 plus 14 32 capacity 32. Okay, so this is how you can remember the values of L, the value of L for each subcell. You have to remember these things. Okay students, so this is the second quantum number, that is called azimuthal quantum number, which gives us the idea regarding subcell. एटी तुमको क्लियरली मन रखियार अछि तीनटा पॉइंट छुआ जहार n value जते ता subcell संख्या सेते. That is the first point to be remembered. The value of n gives you the number of subcells. Okay. Then each subcell corresponds to one value of L. You have to remember that. S पाई देखो कोडा आछी सबले 0, P पाई आछी 1, D पाई आछी 2 and F for F it is 3. Okay. Accordingly you have to remember the values of L because in the next classes we will be using both the values n and L. So together they count the energy of the orbitals. Okay, so you have to find out the n plus L value. सो प्रिसाइजली तुमको मन रखियार अछि n वैल्यू केते हबो l वैल्यू केते हबो. So I will give you the subshells or orbitals, you can easily calculate the value of n and l, which decides the energy of the orbits or energy of the orbitals or subshells. Okay. So students, this is all about your next quantum number, that is called azimuthal quantum number. Okay, which gives us the idea regarding subshells. Yeah, कौन idea दोचु हमको subshell idea दोचु. In the next class, we will be discussing the other two quantum numbers, that is magnetic quantum number, which gives us the idea regarding orbitals, then spin quantum number, which gives us the idea regarding your spin of the electron. So students, this is for today. See you in the next class.